Okay guys, let me show you how to create an Android app to control the Iron Home project. Okay, first let me open a browser. Okay, now let's search MIT app inventor and click on the first link. Click on create apps. You should select the Google account and then click on the accept the terms and service, and yep, you will be prompted like this. Don't show this again, continue. Okay, start a blank project. Project name, let's say Iron Home Project. Let me open this. Okay, now on the screen menu, we'll be adjusting something like accent color. Let's go to the black, and default name, app name, let's say just Iron Home. Let's say background color black. So now let me upload some files which I have. I'll be giving these files in the Patreon page. You can also download these files there. Okay, I have uploaded these files to the MIT App Inventor. Now let's change the background image. Now let's take the image and drag and drop here, and let's change the picture to, let's say, Cortex Technology. Let's rename this Cortex Tech label, height 12%, and let's say width fill parent. Now click on another one. Let's rename this as Iron Home label picture. Okay, next one we need layout. Let's take the horizontal layout arrangement, and then let's take up image and list view. Actually that's a list picker, sorry, list picker. And okay, now let's change this image. Go to the horizontal arrangement and select the default background color to black, sorry, it's none, and arrange these whichever you want. Okay, then let's add a button. Let's rename this as auto connect. To make this button at the center of the screen, you should add a horizontal arrangement above this button and drag and drop these button inside this horizontal arrangement. Then go to the horizontal arrangement, go to the width, click on the fill parent, and select the default background and the center. That's it. Okay, for the switch, let's say again, let's pick horizontal arrangement and go to this, and let's take a switch and another switch. Okay, go to this horizontal arrangement, click on center, and let's say height of 80 pixels with, let's say, fill parent. One, next. Again, okay, that's good. Now let's make a disconnect button. Okay, now under this, let's make a developer settings. This is very much useful when you want to try something new. So don't skip this step, guys. Under this, let's make another horizontal arrangement, and let's use the text box here and a button. Okay guys, that's for the UI, and finally we want to go to the connectivity and add Bluetooth client 1, and you can see non-visible components Bluetooth client 1 is added. And then now click on the blocks icon. You can see the designer on the blocks here. Click on the blocks and you can see the empty white sheet. Here's where we will be coding our program, what to do next. So at first go click on the screen 1, and we'll take that's when screen 1 dot initialize block and place it here, and then go to the procedures, take two proceeds and paste it here. Now let's take this as, let's say set control disabled. Okay, let me go to the designer blocks, and now I'm going to hide all these lights, fans and disconnect button, everything when Bluetooth is not connected, and show everything when Bluetooth is connected. Let's turn this one off, like iron home not connected. Let's change this first. Label 1, that's label 1 actually. Okay, let's rename this connection status. Let's take the connection status and set connection status background color. Let know we want to change the text to, let's take the text and paste this, and then let's disable everything below this. Okay, from horizontal arrangement 3 4 5, let's turn them off. Set horizontal arrangement dot visible to, let's take control and sorry, let's take out the logic and take the false. Let's do the same for everything. Let's do the for this 3 1. Now let's call this set control disabled inside this screen dot initialize. Go to procedures, take the call and place it here. You can set this set control disabled, it is automatically checked. Okay, so we have disabled everything successfully. Now let's concentrate on this list picker. Okay, let's go to the list picker. Yes, when bt list picker dot before picking. Okay, let's paste this here. Again click on this and go take set. Okay, set bt list picker dot elements 2. Let's click on the Bluetooth client and take addresser names. Yes, right here Bluetooth client 1 dot addresses and name, and then again click on the Bluetooth list picker. Go to when Bluetooth list picker dot after picking, let's paste it here. Set Bluetooth list picker dot selection 2. Yes, call Bluetooth client 1 dot connect address, and then again go to Bluetooth list picker, select selection. Okay, Bluetooth list picker dot selection. This will connect the Bluetooth after you select the proper connection. Okay, let's go to the control. If let's take the if then, and if Bluetooth client 1 dot is connected, let's check this, take this is connected, then let's make another set control enable method, set control e. Let's make this connected and let's make this true. That's it. Let's another duplicate this, paste this right here, and call set control enabled. And then I've taken this and syntax. I'll be sending Z for my user admin control. If you send J, it will be taking as Jarvis. If you send Z, it will be taking as Karthik. If you doesn't send anything, then it will be like properly working fine, good, without any admin on user. Okay, now let's give the logics to the light and fan buttons. Now let's click on the lights. When lights start changed, let's take this, and then let's take a control, then if then else. If light switch start on, where is that? Yes, if light switch start on, then let's call the Bluetooth and send text. Let's copy this. If it is on, let's send B. If the light switch is on, let's send B to turn it off, else we'll send A to turn it on. That's it. Okay, now duplicate this. Okay, change this to, this is like switch fan switch. Okay, let's change this to fan. If fan dot on, send D, accordingly send C to turn it on. Right, so we have completed the logics for the lights and fans. Let's complete the logic for the disconnect button now. Let's click on the disconnect button. Yes, when disconnect button dot click, let's disconnect the Bluetooth. Call Bluetooth client one dot disconnect, and then again call that send control disabled to change the control to disabled. Now we'll be doing the developer options. First, we made a mistake. Like we should not turn on this horizontal arrangement, horizontal arrangement 6 before we switch on to developer options. So let's hide this to false. Okay. Now take the switch one. Let's rename this developer switch. Okay. When developer switch dot changed, let's place this here. Let's take a control. If developer switch dot on, then let's set the horizontal arrangement 6 dot true, else we'll make this false. Good. And then let's now code the send button. The send button, when send button dot click, let's take this again. If developer switch dot on, let's delete this. Let's take the, okay, call Bluetooth client dot send text, then take the text from the serial input dot text. Okay, let's remove this, delete this, and let's take the control just for if and then. Okay, good. Then let's set the serial text to none. Okay, delete this, and good. Now we have completed every logic, but one biggest logic is missing. We should change the control or connect automatically method for this one. So go to the blocks and connect auto button. Yes, when connect auto button dot click, let's take this, copy this out, and oh sorry, let's paste this, and we should not use this one. Let's delete this. Take from the text, and you should give the MAC address of your Bluetooth here. The MAC address will be like this, some numbers or alphabets of your Bluetooth. To identify your MAC address, Just delete this. Okay, don't delete this, just paste this inside your bag and then click on the build and click on the Android APK. Run the app inside your Android and then click on the manual connect button, and then you can see the list of Bluetooth devices which are inside your local network, and you can see the MAC address of your HC05. Copy this MAC address and then come here and paste the MAC address here. Okay, and then once connect to button is clicked, and then again we'll be checking if our Bluetooth is connected. If Bluetooth is connected, and then take this set controlled enabled. Okay, that's it. And then let's take it, and okay, now we are good to go. This is our Android app, and then go to the build and click on Android APK. It will be building the APK for you. It will take some time, guys. Let's wait. Go to any scanner you have and scan this QR code. You'll be prompted with a link. Go to the website, download anyway, and you'll be downloaded with my Iron Home project. Click on the install button. Click on more details, install anyway. This is not anyway harmful to your mobile. Click on the done, go to the back, and then click on Iron Home. As you can see, my Iron Home is now working. Now let's connect it with my Bluetooth, and yep, you can see I'm turning on and off the fan and lights accordingly. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll be waiting for you on my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.